Wisdom in the rhythm, stories never been told. Bassline heavy like the weight of the truth. Drums talk steady, echoes through the booth. Keyboard bubble in a mellow embrace. Guitar strum staggered like time lost in space. Prophecy unfolding, hear the message divine. Chant down Babylon, let the people align. Dub-wise prophecy, visions we see. Future wrapped in rhythm, set the captives free. Dub-wise prophecy, flames we decree. Fire burn the lies, bring reality. Crumble like towers, them kingdoms of greed. Plant the seeds of Zion, let the righteous lead. Smoke curling upward, signal in the sky. Truth pierces shadows, no place to hide. Sound clash, wisdom in a session we preach. Dub plates spin like the waves on the beach. Echoes bounce, eternal dub spirits in flight. Rasta vibrations conquer the night. Dub wise prophecy, visions we see. Future wrapped in rhythm, set the captives free. Dub wise prophecy, flames we decree. Fire burn the lies, bring reality. whisper secrets, lessons I'm learning. Longs for inhale jazz intention, so levitate, defy dimensions, deep meditation, no apprehension, truth in the smoke, divine intervention. Through the eyes of the herb I see worlds unfold, roots of the tree, green glow guide, spirit run free. Through the eyes of the herb I see, I see, I see, I see. Split spark shadow dances on the wall, wisdom in the echoes heat the core. Chalice bubbles silence the brawl, Rasta man stand though the world might fall. Kingdoms crumble, empires rust, herb in the hand I place my trust. Ash to the earth, return to dust, cleansed by fire, the righteous must. Through the eyes of the herb I see worlds unfold, roots of the tree, green glow guide, spirit run free. Through the eyes of the herb I see, I see, I see, I see. Roots grow deep, soil so true, baseline low, heartbeat in view, bubble keys float, rhythm anew. I see. Roots grow deep, soil so true, baseline low, heartbeat in view, bubble keys float, rhythm anew. Eyes redder than the sunrise burning, vision clear, mind steady turning, wisdom in the least pages churning, herb whisper secrets, lessons I'm learning. Lungs full, inhale jazz intention, soul levitate, defy dimensions, deep meditation, no apprehension, truth in the smoke, divine intervention. Through the eyes of the herb I see worlds unfold, roots of the tree, green glow guide, spirit run free. Through the eyes of the herb I see. Spark shadow dances on the wall, wisdom in the echoes heed the call. Chalice bubble, silence the brawl, Rasta man stand though the world might fall. Kingdoms crumble, empires rust, herb in the hand I place my trust. Ash to the earth, return to dust, cleansed by fire, the righteous must. Through the eyes of the herb I see worlds unfold, roots of the tree, green glow guide, spirit run free. Through the eyes of the herb I see. Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
Clouds hover, smell the earth's laughter. Sky whispers wisdom, no need
for disaster. Coconut shells holding dreams of the Rasta. Slow burn fire, smoke rising much faster. Roots run deep where the mangoes grow. Chilling with the rhythm, let the bass line flow. Raindrops tap like a keyboard's glow. Bounce off the leaves, let the mellow vibe show. Green clouds high above the trees. Green clouds floating on the breeze. Green clouds feel the world at ease. Green clouds, Jah knows what it means. A rhythm in the smoke, it dances, it twists. Truths in the haze can't resist the gift. Ancient winds hum tunes, soft shifts. Babylon's noise fade, real life uplifts. Crows sing riddles, perch on the vine. Melody spills from the bubbling brine. Under the green clouds, life aligns. Inhale the peace, just signs the design. Green clouds high above the trees. Green clouds floating on the breeze. Green clouds feel the world at ease. Green clouds, Jah knows what it means. Green clouds rise, tell a story untold. Roots in the earth, branches unfold. Eyes wide shut, the visions unfold. Feel the warmth in the air, not cold. Green clouds of us smell the earth's laughter. Sky whispers wisdom, no need for disaster. Coconut shells holding dreams of the Rasta. Slow burn fire, smoke rising much faster. Roots run deep where the mangoes grow. Chilling with the rhythm, let the bass line flow. Raindrops tap like a keyboard's glow. Bounce off the leaves, let the mellow vibe show. Green clouds high above the trees. Green clouds floating on the breeze. Green clouds feel the world at ease. Green clouds, Jah knows what it means. It twists, roots in the haze can't resist the gifts. Ancient winds, some tunes, soft shifts. Babylon's noise fade, real life uplifts. Crows sing riddles, perch on the vine. Melody spills from the bubbling brine. Under the green clouds, life aligns. Inhale the peace, just signs the design. Green clouds rise, tell a story untold. Roots in the earth, branches unfold. Eyes wide shut, the visions unfold. Feel the warmth in the air, not cold. Green clouds high above the trees. Green clouds Yoki Roki Roll, Yoki Roki Roll, Yoki Roki Roll. Roots grow deep, foundation strong. Wisdom in the leaf where the spirit belong. A puff of the earth, the balance restore. Ancient vibrations open the door. Herb of the soul, it keeps me whole. Fire in the rhythm, let the story be told. Herb of the soul, my mind in control. One love, one heart, Jah bliss unfold. Smoke rise slow, curl to the sky. Meditation flow as the moments fly. Time stands still, yet the clock ticks on. Heartbeat steady to the reggae song. Breathe in deep, the essence ignite. Feel the connection, the stars alight. Herb of the soul, it keeps me whole. Fire in the rhythm, let the story be told. Herb of the soul, my mind in control. One love, one heart, Jah bless unfold. Rhythm rock steady, my temple a shrine. Each puff a prayer, crossing the line. From Babylon's chains to Zion's beat. The herb be the voice when the soul can't speak. Nuki woki way, Nuki woki way, Nuki woki way. Whoa. Roots grow deep, foundation strong. Wisdom in the leaf where the spirit belong. A puff of the earth, the balance restore. Ancient vibrations open the door. Herb of the soul, it keeps me whole. Fire in the rhythm, let the story be told. Herb of the soul, my mind in control. One love, one heart, Jah bless unfold. Smoke rise slow, curl to the sky. Meditation flow as the moments fly. Time stands still, yet the clock ticks on. Heartbeat steady to the reggae song. Breathe in deep, the essence ignite. Feel the connection, the stars alight. Herb of the soul, it keeps me whole. Fire in the rhythm, let the story be told. Herb of the soul, my mind in control. One love, one heart, Jah bless unfold. Rock steady, my temple a shrine. Each puff a prayer, crossing the line. From Babylon's chains to Zion's peak. The herb be the voice when the soul can't speak. Feel the sun, it linger. Herb in my palm, roll tight with my finger. Ancient rhythms, Babylon can't hinder. Ash float slow, dancing like a splinter. Herb treasure, pass it round the fire. Lift my spirit, take me higher. One puff calm to spark desire. Oh, herb treasure, roots inspire. Slow motion, job blessings coming. Smoke signal climb, truth unbecoming. Word sound power, heartbeat drumming. The land provide, the gift divine. Sacred smoke, jar design. Mind unwind, stars align. Herb treasure, yours and mine. Herb treasure, pass it round the fire. Lift my spirit, take me higher. One puff calm to spark desire. Oh, herb treasure, roots inspire. So deep, earth, sweet pleasure. Seeking wisdom, find herb treasure. Smoke rise up, measure for measure. Coconut breeze, feel the sun, it linger. Herb in my palm, roll tight with my finger. Ancient rhythms, Babylon can't hinder. Ash float slow, dancing like a splinter. Herb treasure, pass it round the fire. Lift my spirit, take me higher. One puff calm to spark desire. Herb treasure, roots inspire. Drums tick-tock, bassline humming. Life slow motion, job blessings coming. Smoke signal climb, truth unbecoming. Word sound power, heartbeat drumming. The land provide, the gift divine. Sacred smoke, Jah design. Mind unwind, stars align. Herb treasure, yours and mine. Herb treasure, pass it round the fire. Lift my spirit, take me higher. One puff calm to spark desire. Oh, herb treasure, roots inspire. Mind on a drift, spliff hit ancient vibes, culture uplift, roots grow deep where the ancestors smoke signals rise, connect moon to the sun. Wisdom in the rhythm, heartbeat in the bass. Chalice full of stories, time slows its pace. Babylon trembles but we steady and firm. Sacred fire burn, lessons to unlearn. Kush and culture, higher vibration, healing the soul, ancient foundation. Kush and culture, smoke to the sky, history flows, never let it die. Rasta crown gleam, drums echo loud, feel the ancestral stream. Offbeat guitar like a heartbeat skip, bubble sound twirl, meditation drip. Clocks tick slow, no rush in the haze. Mystics toast, wisdom in the smoke's maze. Generations speak in the herbs' green glow. Truth in the air, let the knowledge grow. Kush and culture, higher vibration, healing the soul, ancient foundation. Kush and culture, smoke to the sky, history flows, never let it die. Blind Jah whisper secrets only Jah can decode. Highway to Zion on a spiritual road. The bassline a guide, the rhythm a map. Through the reggae jungle, no need for a trap. Twist mind on a drift, spliff hit ancient vibes, culture uplift. Roots grow deep where the ancestors hum. Smoke signals rise, connect moon to the sun. Wisdom in the rhythm, heartbeat in the bass. Chalice full of stories, time slows its pace. Babylon trembles but we steady and firm. Sacred fire burn, lessons to unlearn. Kush and culture, higher vibration, healing the soul, ancient foundation. Kush and culture, smoke to the sky, history flows, never let it die. Lion art stance, Rasta crown gleam. Drums echo loud, feel the ancestral stream. Offbeat guitar like a heartbeat skip. Bubble sound swirl, meditation drip. Clock sticks slow, no rush in the haze. Mystics toast wisdom in the smoke's maze. Generations speak in the herbs green glow. Truth in the air, let the knowledge grow. Kush and culture, higher vibration, healing the soul, ancient foundation. Kush and culture, smoke to the sky. History flows, never let it die. Ganja whisper secrets only Jah can decode. Highway to Zion on a spiritual road. The bassline a guide, the rhythm a map. Through the reggae jungle, no need for a trapper. Clouds through the sky, righteous smoke rise up, spirit never dry. Wisdom in the air, lungs of Zion stay high. Roots dig deep where the Babylon lie. Tree of life, whisper bark stained with resin. Burning bush visions, ancient lessons given. Inhale the essence, the message stay living. Spliff like a scroll, script written and risen. Lungs of Zion, we breathe in the fire. Smoke of redemption, the spirit climbs higher. Lungs of Zion, inhale the desire. Ashes to ashes, we spark and inspire. Heartbeat syncopate, smoke past the test. From the hills of Ethiopia to the streets of the west. Each puff of prayer, Jah's blessing manifest. Roots wrap the earth, veins in the soil. Lungs like a furnace, heat that don't spoil. Cough up the truth, no Babylon coil. Sacred flame burn, no man can foil. Lungs of Zion, we breathe in the fire. Smoke of redemption, the spirit climbs higher. Lungs of Zion, inhale the desire. Ashes to ashes, we spark and inspire. Through the sky, righteous smoke rise up, spirit never dry. Wisdom in the air, lungs of Zion stay high. Roots dig deep where the Babylon lie. Tree of life whisper, bark stained with resin. Burning bush visions, ancient lessons given. Inhale the essence, the message they live in. Spliff like a scroll, script written and risen. Lungs of Zion, we breathe in the fire. Smoke of redemption, the spirit climbs higher.
beat syncopate, smoke past the test. From the hills of Ethiopia to the streets of the west, each puff a prayer, Jah's blessing manifest. Roots wrap the earth, veins in the soil, lungs like a furnace, heat that don't spoil. Cough up the truth, no Babylon coil. Sacred flame burn, no man can foil. Lungs of Zion, we breathe in the fire. Smoke of redemption, the spirit climbs higher. Lungs of Zion, inhale the desire. Ashes to ashes, we spark and inspire. Try. One step closer, the rhythm start to heal. Barefoot on Zion's path, the ground feel real. Sunrise whispers, just love reveal. Babylon tremble, truth cut like steel. One step to Jah, feel the fire ignite. One step to Jah, in the heart of the night. One step to Jah, where the wrong turn right. One step to Jah, oh, we're reaching the eye. Parchment scrolls, I read them in the breeze. Ancestors chanting, roots deeper than trees. Lion in the jungle, crown heavy with peace. Chains break loose, spirit find release. Rain fall down, wash the tears away. Drum beat talking, got the soul to sway. One step to Jah, feel the fire ignite. One step to Jah, in the heart of the night. One step to Jah, where the wrong turn right. One step to Jah, oh, we're reaching the height. River run red, but the fish still swim. Shadow in the valley, but the light won't dim. Roots in the soil, can't forget where we've been. Love everlasting, Jah reside within. Step closer, the rhythm start to heal. Barefoot on Zion's path, the ground feel real. Sunrise whispers, Jah's love reveal. Babylon trembles. cut like steel. One step to Jah, feel the fire ignite. One step to Jah, in the heart of the night. One step to Jah, where the wrong turn right. One step to Jah, oh, we reaching the high. Parchment scrolls, I read them in the breeze. Ancestors chanting, roots deeper than trees. Lying in the jungle, crown heavy with peace. Chains break loose, spirit find release. Rain fall down, wash the tears away. Drum beat talking, got soul to sway. One step to Jah, feel the fire ignite. One step to Jah, in the heart of the night. One step to Jah, where the wrong turn right. One step to Jah, oh, we reaching the high. River run red, but the fish still swim. Shadow in the valley, but the light won't dim. Roots in the soil, can't forget where we've been. Love everlasting, Jah reside within. rivers meet, feet touch ground, feel the heartbeat. Jah wind whisper, secrets discreet, carry the sound through the city street. Burning down fear, in the smoke we glow. Ashes to freedom, let the fire flow. Plant new seeds where the old can't grow. Rise like the tide, let Babylon know. Roll and rise, roll and rise, through the slow, hear the lion's cries. Babylon watching, clock tick slide, but we roll and rise, roll and rise. Stepping on shadows, they scatter like dust. Wheels keep spinning, powered by trust. Chains on my brothers, but rust eats rust. Jah see all, so rise we must. Roll and rise, not stop, not pause. Break them chains, not bow to loss. Roll and rise, chant for the cause. One step forward, one step for Jah. Deep roots grip where the rivers meet. Feet touch ground, feel the heartbeat. Jah wind whisper, secrets discreet. Carry the sound through the city street. Burning down fear in the smoke we glow. Ashes to freedom, let the fire flow. Plant new seeds where the old can't grow. Rise like the tide, let Babylon know. Roll and rise, roll and rise. Through the fire, see Jah eyes. Roll and rise, roll and rise. Truth unfold, cut through life. never stirred. Roots in the earth, deep like the night.